And you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. One roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a silver. Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the phone. Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. How are you guys doing? Anyways, so I just wrapped up the previous week's vlog. So I want to take off my makeup right now. Let me show you guys what I do. So I use baby oil to break down the makeup. Then I use tissue paper to clean up the oil. Okay, but you can use a paper towel, but I don't have that. I have tissue, so I just pour it. I honestly pour like a decent amount. So I just go with like the first wash. So I wash twice. So I just use this tea tree foaming cleanser. Okay. Then for the second time, I then put the foaming wash here. Okay, so now is when I go in with this Soulmate Makeup Removing Micellar Solution and Face Cleanser. Put a generous amount. Alrighty. So I just do this, repeatedly until the wipe gets clean. So one wipe can end up looking like this, and I just do like 2 wipes, and by the second wipe everything looks cleaner. I'm about to just take this off, shower, and crawl into bed. I'm really tired and I have work tomorrow morning, so yeah. Welcome to another weekly vlog. Girl, I don't be introducing myself. Like, I know it's girls and all day, but like, hi, I'm Adiah, nice to meet you. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Okay, bye. See you guys tomorrow. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, when there's a number show. Hey guys, good evening. I'm sorry about the fun. You guys, I had such a shitty day. Like, I literally just got out of a meeting. Okay, so we're having this event. We're planning this event. I'm planning this event for work, and it's next month. And it's just been stressing the fuck out of me because my boss is so budget conscious, and I'm like, spend this money, bro. So it's just like, we just keep going back and forth, and there's no time. The event is literally like in it's in the 3rd week of November. I'm just so fucking tired. And then see, I posted a reel today, and I don't know if it was a reel, but people started unfollowing me. I don't like that thing. Kicked my mental health because I was just like, okay, so it's my problem. Is the problem my content or Instagram? Like, bro, I was so frustrated. And then I posted another video on YouTube, and it has been doing very badly. Today was just not my day, honestly. Like, oh god, I'm so tired. Like, it's almost bedtime. So yeah.
something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see. Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. So keep that booty, booty. So keep that pump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah.
Happy Tuesday. I just got back from work, like literally right now, and I want to prepare dinner. So there's this bowl, there's this I always forget. There's this bowl that I saw on Pinterest when I was doing my vision board for the month of November, and I'm like, she's sexy. So how do I put this down? I need to put you on a tripod. Hold on. I realized I don't think you guys have ever heard me sing, which is kind of a bummer because I'm pretty good at it. Ow. Okay. So, friend, what was I saying? Right, bowl. So there's this bowl I saw, which is pretty cute. I'll put a picture on the screen. God, I'm so tired. So yeah, so I might be mimicking the bowl, but I'm going to be changing up some stuff. So the bowl has rice, a stew. That's what I saw, because it was tomato pasted. I don't know if it's tomato paste or but it was a tomato paste. So it had rice, tomato paste, beans, and corn, and I think avocado. So I would do rice. I would do the stew, the tomato, the thing that looks like stew, and then I will also do the beans, but I will substitute the corn for lettuce because I don't really fuck with corn. I don't hate it, but growing up my mom always made me eat it, and yeah, so now I see it and I'm traumatized. So yeah, so I'm substituting the corn with lettuce, and then I'm not having avocado, I'm having plantains instead because I've been craving something sweet. Right now I'm just heating up the rice, so let me show you guys what we looking like. I need a house husband or a house boyfriend because this life is not me. So the reel I want to do will be for Instagram. Ciao, so you guys can check it on there. I got some new clothes. It's like really typical to be shopping on the 1st of the month, yeah? Okay. I'm kidding, I didn't actually buy them today. I just finished paying for them today. But yeah, so I'll probably show you guys that. But friend, I have to eat first because this beautiful girl just needs fuel in her system, okay? So I'm just gonna charge my phone and cook my food. I'm really excited to try this because eating healthy or what? I do this thing where when I'm hungry I get really energetic, so I'm just going to stop now because I think I've already done like 2 hours of footage of me just talking. So guys, I'm sorry, what? Nah, you're joking. Like, look at that scrumptious baby. I don't even want to eat it because I'm just like, what the hell? But oh my god, you guys, listen, this girl is hungry, so I'm going to taste it on camera for you guys. Instagram saw the whole putting together, so we finna taste it together. So hold on. You know what you're standing on. You will flog the hell out of me. So this is what we have. So I have lettuce, I have plantain, then underneath the stew I have beans, stew, sausage, white rice, and then carrot toppings. Oh my, like, I'm screaming. Let's have the first bite that will have everything in it. Okay, Alright, so this is the spoon. It has everything. I also just died I went to heaven. Like, you guys, like, you honestly need to try this. I see you know, the influencers I follow do bowls like this, but like, you know, American stuff, and just like stuff that I don't feel are very reachable to me. So I just want to create bowls that, you know, people can access easily.
And drop them drawers, I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it wait.
Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I told you I got a few clothes. Some of us to be raspy. I don't know, I've been feeling not good. My period is coming, so every day building to that is just worse after the previous one. So yeah. So I told you guys I got some clothes yesterday, but I didn't show you guys the clothes because I went into food coma after eating. So I just wanted to show you guys the clothes now. But first, yeah, I wanted to show you guys this robe. I've worn it in a vlog or a few vlogs, but it's thrifted. It's from Next. When I tell you guys that this thing is single-handedly the comfiest thing, oh my god, it's so comfy. And like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like the texture of it, the feel, oh my god, this thing is so precious. Like, it just keeps me so warm. I got this top. I don't want to try it on because like it's just going to be too much, but it's just like a regular, you know, button up top like that. But I've really been into cool tones lately, so I picked this blue. I got this black and white as well. Let me go back so you guys can see it. Okay, the next thing I got was this trouser pant. So it's just, I really love it. The fit on this, you're joking. But I love the fit. Like, this thing fits on my ass like a glove. Oh boy, I really like it. I got this top. I had like a look, like a vision in mind. That's why I got it. Throw it on like a crop top and jeans type situation and sneakers. So yeah, and I also got a dress. A red dress, which when I saw it, I just like fell in love with it because I'm like, you know, I gotta have it. You know, that's how the front scrunches, and then it can be like on your shoulder or off the shoulder, and it's like ruched in the waist, and then it has this I don't know, texture, if you can see that on me. Like, it fits a little too big, and that's the thing about thrift shopping, is that where like the person that goes to doesn't have a shop, she just has like a stand, and you all the time you try the clothes on the clothes you're already wearing, so it's like it's usually a hit or a miss sometimes. So I have to get this tailored before I wear it because I don't like the fit of it, it's too big. Today work was girl, when is work ever not, you know? So it's like I just wanna start editing this vlog because I've not started editing this vlog actually. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, watch movies just tomorrow. I look so horrible. Hold on, let me fix this hair. Hey guys, welcome to, I think this is Thursday. Hold on. Yeah, it's Thursday. Happy Thursday. I I got back from work a while ago. I wanted to show you guys what I got anyway. So I'm going to be working out this month because if you check my Instagram, you see that one of my November goals is to start working out, right? And you know, I tried in October to I could work out without anything, whatever. Like it just wasn't working, friend. Like I needed something to motivate me to work, and I think it's important that I clocked it because I just wasn't feeling motivated at all. Because like, I mean, granted, I could work out without anything new, but I needed the motivation to work out, so I got myself something new. So yeah, so that brings me to the start of today's show. I saw this Nikes, and I was like, well, let's get it. So I got new workout shoes from Adiah. So it says it's the Nike Revolution 4. So it just looks like this. It's thrifted, but I think it's really cute. The second pair, obviously same as the first, because it would be weird if it wasn't. So yeah, I'm gonna share my workout schedule with you guys in the next vlog, because I will start working out proper next week. So yeah, also let me know how you guys like the new intro, the new everything, like how I'm editing the vlog. You guys, when I tell you that Vlogtober wore me out, like my videos in Vlogtober were so shitty, because it's like, girl, posting every day was not cute. So I finally did, you know, like with the intro and just like the style and the editing of the videos. So let me know how you guys like it. I really like it. So yeah, also I have bunch of new music. Like I finally found where I can get non-copyright Afrobeat, like non-copyright popular sound, non-copyright music, like a song by Rihanna, non-copyright, like, and I feel like I'm on crack. Friend, I'm gonna plug you guys on to it probably in the next vlog or something, just because I'm still like researching. But like this one, I hit jackpot. Hey, I downloaded almost everything. Friend. I love you guys so much. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, love you, bye. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. Welcome to Saturday. I'm about to go out. Well, no, I say go out, but I'm going to somewhere like around just to get some stuff for me. I want to get eggs, detergent, and what else? That's one last thing. That's why I was going to write a list. I think my tomato paste. But yeah, how are you guys doing? Ignore my dirty ass mirror. Alright, let's go.
I think it's time we confronted the situation in front of us.